Hi guys, it's been a long time I didn't upload any videos. It's maybe 8 or 9 days. Today I come back with a new video. Today I will show you how to make inland flag by 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. This is 4x4 Rubik's Cube. At first, keeping the red color in front. Then we replace white color on the four corner of red color. It's not a method. By practicing yourself, you bring the white color on the four corner of red color. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, it's an England flag. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like, comment and share. See you in next video. Bye bye.